I wonder if I can record videos on and post them on YouTube with this for like some of the other
Probably.
games we play.
Yeah, probably.
Just for fun.
Ooh. Jonas, the bonus.
Soul, do you want me to pull up a video of myself, a live video feed while I play, so you can watch me sit naked?
Again.
Yeah.
Again?
Dude, this is so dumb. I'm trying to get to the last thing so I can kill this boss.
Again?
Okay.
Just add against everything, and it's just a lot better.
Like,
It does.
You know what's dumb? What's so dumb about this isn't even just my turrets. It's my grenade attack speed.
Oh
It's
god.
It's actually broken. It's not right.
Not right.
Not right.
I mean, you're gonna see this. I need to put this on YouTube.
But it's hacking.
Who cares?
I don't want you to get banned.
It's not for beating the game. It's for scientific purposes.
Jonas, I don't want you to get banned.
Okay, what boss is this? Blazing Beetle Queen. I gotta protect my turrets because they're really feeble. They gave up. They just stopped shooting.
They just stopped shooting.
For a second there. Dude, this is so dumb. Okay. There you guys go.